Good day everyone, my name is Nash Conrad Biabad and I'm a new student here at Caraga State University. Today I'd like to take you through my journey so far, a journey filled with excitement, growth, and plenty of learning experiences. Starting at CSU was thrilling. In my first month, I was captivated by everything around me. The campus, the people, the energy. However, as time passed, I encountered some real challenges. The packed schedule of activities and my midterms soon felt overwhelming. Also, the fact that I haven't made any friends yet after such a long time here in CSU made me realize that it is such a challenge. Adjusting to this academic pace was a new experience, and I began to realize that college life, while exciting, demands serious discipline and time management. As a CSUan, I learned there are certain rules and responsibilities we are expected to follow, especially as outlined in our session on CSU and me. One that impacted me was our responsibility to maintain integrity and respect both in our studies and towards our CSU community. Balancing this sense of commitment with my heavy workload taught me that I needed to not only keep up academically but also to uphold these values, even when things got tough. During our session on Are You Skill Ready, we explored the importance of 21st century skills, and these proved to be invaluable in helping me adapt to various challenges. Skills such as resilience, problem solving, and digital literacy played a significant role in my personal and professional growth. For example, when my schedule became increasingly hectic, I turned to digital organization tools and time management apps, which greatly improved my ability to stay on track and manage my responsibilities efficiently. Similarly, when I encountered financial difficulties, I was able to cultivate resilience by learning to seek support, maintain focus, and navigate through tough times with determination. These skills not only helped me overcome immediate obstacles but also prepared me for future challenges, reinforcing the value of continuously developing and applying them in real-life situations. Looking ahead, I believe that by strengthening these skills and staying committed, I'll be able to manage whatever comes next. My experience has taught me that while challenges may slow me down, they can't stop me. By overcoming these initial hurdles, I feel more capable of taking on future ones. And I'm excited to see how I'll continue to grow as a CSU1. And lastly, allow me to conclude with this thought. This journey is not merely about earning a degree. It is about transforming into the best version of myself. Thank you for listening.